So I've got something kind of fun. I had the crazy idea to put a pen on, I just rubber band a pen next to the extruder on my 3D printer and use the 3D printer to write on paper. So let's see how it works. Here's the G code I wrote by hand to write the words hi. This is the program I'll use to send the G code over. And let's go over to the 3D printer. And here's our setup. We've got the Sharpie rubber banded to one of the fans on here. Don't worry, it doesn't actually impede the movement of the fan, see? And I've got this piece of paper just clamped down to my printing bed. And this is a Monoprice Maker Select Plus printer. So let's see how good my handwritten G-code skills are. Okay, so back to the computer. Let's see, let us connect to our device. We'll see the printer is now initializing itself because I just connected the serial port. We got all this output here, so let's just go ahead and send this file and see what happens. Let's see, go to desktop, and what are we gonna send? G-code fun. Let's see. Open. So first things first, printer calibration. Top view, side view. Oh, something's happening. Something happened. Seems to have just died on me. Okay, printer just ran out of memory. And something's going horribly wrong. Okay, I'm back now. It's been about 10 minutes since I cut the video. Something went horribly wrong. I think the printer ran out of memory, so I wrote a little Python program to slowly feed the G-code commands over. So yeah, let's run it and see. So enter my password, press enter to start. The printer's resetting, we'll wait for that to reset. When I press start, it should start all over. I replaced the paper to a fresh one. Okay, looks like it's ready to go. So now we press start, and we see some magic happening. Let's hope it works this time. Oh no, my Sharpie's running out. There we go. Whoa, what's that? Okay, that was strange. But yeah, there we go. I successfully printed the words hi onto a piece of paper. This is like printing version of vector graphics. Yeah. So thanks for watching.